Hello everyone, welcome to Explorer Hop. In today's work example, we'll be finding the slope or the gradient and the y-intercept of a line for which we are given the equation. So the equation that we are given is 3y plus 7x plus 51 is equals to 0. Now this is not in the standard form. We know that the standard form of equation is y is equals to y is equals to mx plus c. So we'll try to rearrange this equation into this form. So by rearranging, we would get 3y is equals to minus 7x plus 51. We'll take 3 to the other side and we would get y is equals to minus 7 over 3x minus 17. Sorry, this was a minus here because we moved 51 from here to the other side, and we would get minus 51 over 3. So gradient is, so we know that in the standard form, the gradient of equation is always m, that m is the gradient and c is the y-intercept. So we can easily find that the gradient of this line is minus 7.3. Gradient or slope of the line is minus 7 by 3, and y-intercept is 0 comma minus 51 over 3, which is basically minus 17. So we were easily able to find the y-intercept and the slope of a line for which we were given the equation. So that was all. Thank you for joining us. I'll see you all in the next lesson.